Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Notion task databases for operations teams, full guide step by step clearly. To install Notion task databases for operations teams, start by creating a new workspace in Notion. Open Notion and click on New Workspace in the left sidebar. Name your workspace something relevant to your operations team. Once your workspace is set up, click on Add a page in the sidebar. Select Database from the options available. Choose Table to create a new task database. Label your table clearly, such as Operations Task Database. Now, create columns that fit your workflow needs. Add a task name column as the first property, ensuring it is set to text. Next, create a status column to track the progress of tasks. Set the status column type to select and add options like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Create a due date column to help manage deadlines. Set this column type to Date for easy date management. Add a column for Assigned to designate team members responsible for each task. Set this column type to Person to assign tasks directly to team members. If necessary, create additional columns such as Priority or Notes to provide further context for each task. Once your columns are set, start by populating the database with sample tasks for practice. Fill in each row with relevant information, ensuring to select statuses and due dates. Use the filter function to create custom views, like only showing tasks assigned to a specific member. For better organization, utilize the sort feature to arrange tasks by due date or priority. To enhance collaboration, invite your team members to the workspace by clicking on Share in the top right corner. Adjust permission settings to ensure team members can edit or comment as needed. Consider setting up recurring tasks by utilizing Notion's templates for repetitive operations. Regularly review and update the database to keep it relevant and useful for your team's ongoing operations. Encourage team members to engage with the database and to provide feedback for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.